Guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today we talk about how to make money online selling Canva products. So Canva is an online design tool that you can use to create different things that you can sell to creators. So now you can make social media posts, you can create presentations, you can create logos, you can create thumbnails, you can create pins for Pinterest and so much more. So guys, the best thing about using Canva is that first and foremost, you can use the free version. They have a free version and they have there's another one, the pro version, that you have to subscribe to, though it is not even expensive. I think it's $6 per month. And then another thing is that they have templates. So now you don't need to be a tech savvy or someone who has done design before. Even a novice can do this because now there are templates you only customize. So now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money, both online and offline videos, personal finance, personal development. So if that is the kind of content you're looking for on YouTube, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the subscription button, click the notification bell, and share me out, guys. So comment down below and let me know how you love this video, if it is something that you have tried before or if it is something that you would like to try. And yes, let's get into the video. So guys, let's go to Pinterest.com. Not Pinterest, sorry, but Canva.com. So this is my Canva page. I already have an account with them. That is why I simply logged in. But if you don't, you'll go to sign up. So, and then you'll come here to this home page. Home. So here now you'll find different templates which you can use to create your own designs. Let me see. Yeah, these are my recent designs. I have been creating some for my blog, so you can see these ones. See how beautiful they are. Yeah, so let's say you want to create a pin for Pinterest. So you'll come here and type Pinterest pin. You can type Pinterest pin templates or video pins or food Pinterest pins. Like, just use any keyword to find the appropriate templates. So now these are the, when you type Pinterest pins, these are the designs that you have been given. You can create a pin from scratch, so you can create your own design from scratch by clicking this plus sign here. You can also come here and use the already the ones that are already there, so that you can do what? You can just customize and make your own. So now make sure that you choose the ones that are not paid for. Like this one requires you to be on Canva Pro, so this one you leave it alone. This one you can use it, and then you come to customize this template, and then now after that you can now, you know, just change your own things. You can change the color of the design, you can change the color, you can change the photo. You simply come here and use this upload to upload photo. You can use whether you want food photos or travel photos or Pinterest or blog. Like, you just play around with these things. You can change the text by clicking text here. Yeah, that's it. And then now you can also, let's go back. You can, it is not just Pinterest pins that you can create, by the way, guys. You can also create YouTube thumbnail, or even Facebook thumbnail, or Instagram. Like, you just type anything, it will bring you. So these are the YouTube thumbnails, and the best thing is that it comes with the correct size for the particular platform that you have chosen. So you saw the Pinterest ones is different from the YouTube ones, as you can see. So these are the ones that you can use. And then you can also go and type Facebook. So whichever platform you want to create designs for, you just come here and choose which design you want to use. So these are the ones for Facebook. Yeah, Facebook templates are here, Instagram templates. So simply choose any for any platform that you want to create for. So now we are done. I hope you can come here and familiarize yourself with Canva. It is a simple to use tool, by the way. You don't need to have any knowledge or any prior experience to do this. And then now let us go to Fiverr.com, because that is where we are going to sell our designs. So after creating one, you simply download it to your gadget, so that it can be on your laptop. And then now you go to Fiverr.com. Again, if you don't have an account with Fiverr, you'll have to create one. So when you go to Fiverr.com, guys, you can just for you to be able to know that you can actually do this and sell, just try searching for Pinterest pins. You will see several people offering this service. You see 25 Pinterest pins, 5 videos in 24 hours, and this one is charging $5. Professional Pinterest marketing, this one is charging $30. So now you come here and create an account, whether it is YouTube thumbnails you want to create. Let us see. Yeah, so these are the people who are offering YouTube thumbnails. You can see YouTube thumbnail designs. I will create eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail. Of course, you'll have to put a very good title for you to be able to attract potential clients. This one is charging $10. I will design 3 eye-catching YouTube thumbnails for $15. So you can see, guys, you can see for yourselves, yeah? Yeah, so you simply come and create an account with Fiverr, and then you start promoting your products, whichever they are, whether it is YouTube thumbnails, whether it is Pinterest pins, whether it is Facebook thumbnails or designs and all that. By the way, just so you know, I have actually paid for this service. Let me just show you some thumbnails that I had created for. So it is not like I'm telling you something that doesn't have business or something that you will not be able to sell. I'm telling you something that I myself use even on my channel. Let me just show you. So guys, in the meantime, my internet is not that fast. Please make sure you have subscribed to the channel if you haven't. You see my subscribers 742, and I need 1,000, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Share me out if you can. Okay, so I just want to show you a sample of a thumbnail that I paid for. You see these two? Yeah, these 2 thumbnails. This one, how I landed a job I didn't qualify for, and how to turn 0. Whatever that amount to 3,000 per month. These ones I paid for them. There's also another one. Which is the other one? I can't remember the other one, but at least, guys, you can see that this is something that you can do and actually earn money from it. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. So guys, that's it about making money selling Canva products on Fiverr. I hope this video has been of help. It has been educative enough to give me a thumbs up. Yes. Also comment down below and just let me know any other topic that I can cover, or just talk to me. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please just remember before you click out to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscription button, click the notification bell, and let's see you in the next video. Bye.